are on, heading into the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum. Situated in the West End neighborhood, Kelvingrove Museum is one of the most popular stops in Glasgow. It boasts 22 glorious galleries featuring masterpieces by Van Gogh, Rembrandt, Gauguin, Dali, and so many more. The main hall features a concert organ pipe constructed by Lewis & Co., one of the most important organ makers in the world. One of my personal favorites is the Floating Heads by Sophie Cave. Located in the East Court, there are 50 heads displaying various human emotions, from misery to joy. We're now in Cathedral Square.
See here on the right.
Uh-huh.
You see the chef?
Yeah.
You see the seat?
Yeah.
You see the crane holding it?
Yeah.
That's the floating restaurant.
Okay.
It's not floating at all.
My taxi driver is still so nice, even though I said the evil word in here. I accidentally said Uber. That wasn't cool.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, he says. Okay, we are now at the Glasgow Cathedral, which is like a very famous site as well, but I came here a little too late, so it's closed right now, but admission is free, which is nice. And behind me, oh, you can't see. And what's really cool is that in the back, the other side is, there's a cemetery that's really famous too. Okay, we're gonna do the brewery tour of Tennent, which I drank a lot of in Edinburgh. Tennent brewery tasting! There's a lot going on here. This one is with whiskey and barley lager. Yum, vanilla sugary, it's yum. This was IPA? Very nice, goes down very easy. And this was the extra, which is very caramelly and honeyish too. You guys, I will definitely need a doggy bag for this. It's the size of my brain, but it's amazing. It was Scotch ribeye. When the ribeye actually looks like an eye.